People are struggling across the globe. Just like amongst us, there are some who are struggling. Some are struggling because they don't have jobs. Some do not have clothing. Some do not know where they're going to get the next meal from amongst us. Some are struggling because of debt. May Allah make it easy for you to pay it back. Some are struggling because life has become very expensive. They can't afford things. Some don't have jobs. Some don't have any income whatsoever. Some are struggling because of health matters. Some are struggling because of so many factors. The list is endless. I tell you, my brothers and sisters, turn to Allah. Firstly, turn to Allah. Allah has the key to the solutions of your problems. Number one, you turn to Allah. If you have not turned to Allah and you turn to everyone else, you are making a mistake. But you turn to Allah, Allah will guide you where to go to solve the matter. Allah will create a situation miraculously to solve your problem. Subhanallah. May Allah Almighty grant us ease.